Hello guys, today I will teach you how to create a perfect bowl and its shading. Okay, let's begin. Click that icon and we can have a perfect circle shape here. That's right. And we can use a magic wand. Select the outside area and select that box so that any color cannot go outside. Then select that and I use lasso fill so that it can be easier for me to put some color inside. Um, I use color from dark to light, or you can start from the upper to light uh, from light to dark, but I start from lower, so it should be a dark to light. Yes, just like this. Um, you can it's depend on you if you add more, you know, colors, or you can do this. It's really doesn't matter how many layer you can create, as long as it should be from dark to light or light from dark. All right, this will be the second from the last. And finally we add light reflection, so this is the finalized lighter. And then I use brush, and the brush I use is the normal airbrush. First, we're gonna select long press that first layer of color, then we can spray the light color. As we can see, the airbrush is soft and it's beautiful to use, especially in shading. Then I select the second layer, and then like that. Just do it repeatedly until you satisfy. Mm. As you can see, it's almost beautiful, right? It's almost perfect. If you think there is it's lacking color, then you can do it repeatedly. Mm. And always remember that half of the bowl should be a darker like this. Remember to clean the area, like uh, like a bowl, smooth color, no, yes, like that, super smooth, so that it can be a perfect bowl like that. Mm. Just some another little more, and just a little more, just add more. We can I know we can do it and check if the circle is really now good. Just like that. Mm-hmm. Mm. So most of it fine, but no, we need to check carefully if it is really good. Mm. Just do it. If you think light is not good enough, then you can adjust the light by long press the light that you want to add. Mm. Just like that. No, you're almost done. Oh, I like it. It's spicy. Oh, that's really spicy for me. Hmm? Think it's good now. Hmm. That's was. And cars. We should forget the shadow. When there's a light, there should be a shadow. Then let's create a shadow in another layer. This is it. Um, I just put it and use a fill. I duplicate it and lower the opacity just like that. Duplicate and lower the opacity. And adjust the size of the ball. This will be a shadow. Shadow of the ball should be consist of um, same processing from dark to light. At the center should be darker, and the outside will be a lighter, just like this. Um, you should do it this. It's a simple. You just need to duplicate, adjust the size, adjust the opacity, color, and the size of the circle. Then after that, you can then after that, then you can finally mm, merge them all. Now that we're done, let's merge it. Just click the merge, just merge, just like that. Mm, okay, something wrong. Wait, let me do this. Mm, I forgot to turn off the. Oh, wait a second. Let me fix this. What's wrong with? Alright. I forgot to turn off the magic wand. Okay. Now I use this dark bolt to select the magic wand, mm, so that we can easily use the brush later. And now let's put on use the airbrush, and I can usually use a mirror so that it can easily done. Like, how should this be? Wait, just whatever. I don't think so it's matter if the is straight or not. Let's just put it in the center correctly. Just like that. Guess that's the center. Now I'm gonna use our brush just like this so that we can easily finish. I use the mirror because I know it's a circle, so it should be perfectly fine if I do this. Just like that. It's pretty ugly, just like that. Mm, Not, I guess. Just like this, doing this, it's fun. Hmm. Now that I guess the merging of the first layer and second layer is done, now let's go to the third layer. Merging with. Mm. Every time I merge, I use an airbrush. It's very helpful to make it look clean and spicy. No, right? It's done. Oh, it's so ugly. I admit it's ugly, but it doesn't matter. Okay, we just use it in shadow. Now we can turn off this too. And then finally, we're going to make it shadow in the back. Mm-hmm. I use it as a center so that we can easily um, and what you call with it, arrange the shadow like this. Since it's a flat land, it should be like this. hmm But it's not finally. We just need to put it like that. But later we're going to change it. Just just do it like this for now. But later we'll change it. All right. I guess this. Not really this. Okay. All right. That's good. Mm-hmm. All right. And finally, we're going to do it. No, lower. No, not so ugly. No, not good. Hmm. All right. Let's do this. Move. So, and full capacity. So, I guess that's not. It's locking. So we better do something. Well, since this is it, I gotta do something. What should I do? Hmm, it's like we're falling, but now I just change the mode. Hmm. I get it flatten so that it can balance. This is it. Finally, I found the answer. Alright, since this is it. Alright, as you can see, this is the final shadow. And look, it's so beautiful, perfectly